Hello and welcome to another unboxing. In today's video, I've managed to get one Matchbox. And did you know this I believe is like this is a whole series. Now I do have boxes for them, so first I'll have to get them. Yeah, and here they are. So I've got a 205 Jaguar F-Top S Coupe. We have a 5 out of 5 2020 Corvette C8, which has a badly damaged card, but I wasn't that feeling bad about opening it. And now a 3 out of 5 to add to the second and the fifth one out of the set, 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Let's open it. And here it is. It's a pretty cool convertible. What number of the darkest is it? MB 1012. So this is a 1012 Matchbox ever released. And here they are all lined up. I'm missing 1 and 4, which I hope to get when they restock this, hopefully. And that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.